Rani calls all his ministers to decide what should be our next plan. The ministers arrive. Rani, if we surrender, if we give it to the British, we could save our lives. One thing is this, कि we should give everything to British and save our life. But I will not give up my Jhansi without a fight. The second thing is, fight out your things with the British. It's better to die with honor, with high respect, than to live in shame. The cowards give away the things easily. The braves fight till the end. What do you say? Ministers, together. Your word is our command. Whatever you will say, we will follow that. It is as our command. We are with you all the way. We are always with you in all your decisions. Rani, smiling with pride. She is very proud of her ministers. Very well then. There are two friends who will not let us down. Means I have two friends who will listen to me, they will support me, will help me. Send word to Tantya Tope to come. Means she asked her ministers to call Tantya Tope and to Nana Sahib. Call these two persons for help. Tell Nana that Manu needs his help to fight the British. He will come. Remember what happened earlier when both of them came back after a horse ride? Nana said to Manu, you can call me whenever you want. Right? Now this was the right time Manu thought of Nana Sahib to fight against the British. Narrator, Rani Lakshmi Bai, dressed as a soldier, fights fiercely, means powerfully, strongly, bravely, but is recognized and shot dead by a British soldier as she leads her horse to jump across the canal. Rani Lakshmi Bai fought bravely, but lastly what happened? She was shot dead by a British soldier. Why? Because her horse couldn't jump across a canal and she was stuck up there. Scene 8. Soldiers on the bank of a river. The battle is over. Rani Lakshmi Bai is lying dead on the ground. Narrator. Her friends did not fail Rani Lakshmi Bai. Tantya Tope gave support and Nana kept his childhood promise. In the fight, both Tantya Tope and Nana came to help her. But the wheel of life had come full circle, means the life has come to an end. The gallant Rani was dead. The brave and respectful Rani was dead at the young age of 23. She died at the age of 23. But was she really dead? No. The old sage was right. She had created history. She had made a history and would live in the hearts of men and women forever. See, 1857 and today is 2021. And still we remember Rani Lakshmi Bai. This is the history she has created, where she is alive in our thoughts and in our history. With this, I completed explaining the lesson. Please do the reading. Let's move to page number 76 to complete the book exercises. Your A question is tick the correct options. After Manu's mother died, her father took her to Bithura. Manu and Nana were friends. Nana was the son of Bajirao. After the mutiny broke out in 1857, Bahadur Shah Zafar was crowned king at Delhi. These B question answers will do in English to copy. Who was Moropant Tambe? Why was he happy? Moropant Tambe was a courtier of the Maratha ruler Bajirao II. He was happy because a baby girl had born in his house. Why did Rani Lakshmi Bai and Gangadhar Rao adopt a child? Rani Lakshmi Bai and Gangadhar Rao adopted a child because their only son had died, and the new law said that if a king dies without leaving an heir, his kingdom would be taken over by the British. What message did Major Alice have for Rani Lakshmibai? Major Alice informed Rani Lakshmibai that his adopted son cannot be the heir to the throne. He asked her to leave the fort and live in a palace in the city. Whom did Rani Lakshmibai request for help to fight the British? Did they support her? Rani Lakshmibai requested Tantia Tope and Nana Sahib for help to fight the British. Yes, they supported her. Take against the options that are not synonyms of the words in capitals. Are not synonyms, they are antonyms obviously. If they are not of same meaning, they are opposite meaning. Surrender, participate, latest, old, cunning, ignorant, privilege, rural, ordinary, official, trustworthy, simple, unfair, open. Your E question, fill in the blanks with the correct words from the box to complete the idioms. Then match them with their correct meaning. Idioms means a group of words in a fixed order that have a particular meaning. Turning point. First of all, you have to have the word which joins with this or makes a idiom, and then we have to go to find out the meaning. Turning point, take over, tragedy in store, make matters worse, let someone down, make history. Now let's find out the meaning. Turning point, a very important moment. Take over, capture, tragedy in store, something very sad that is to happen. Make matters worse, spoil things further, let someone down, disappoint someone, make history, do something great and important. The dictionary gives us the meaning not only of words but also phrases. For example, if you want to know what is the phrase let down means, you can look up in the word let in the dictionary and under it you will also find let down. Now, which word will you search for in the dictionary to find the meaning of these idioms or phrases? Also write the meaning of idiom phrases in your notebook. Give away means to give something as a gift. Out of action, injured, not in action. Ill feeling, feeling of unhappiness. Out of order, not working at all. From door to door, from one house to the next. At a loss, not knowing what to do. Break the ice to make people feel relaxed and comfortable. Take a chance, do something involving risk. I will continue solving the book exercises in my next video.